Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making steamed egg with dried shrimp. Look at that silky smooth texture, soft, jiggly, and full of umami. This dish is pure comfort in a bowl. Prepare 2 bowls of the same size. Crack the eggs into one of them. Don't worry about the number of the eggs. Just note the level of the eggs reach in the bowl. In the other bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then pour in the same volume of warm water, about 50 degrees Celsius. Next, transfer the eggs into a larger bowl. Then add more warm water, about half of the amount you just used. Again around 50 degrees Celsius. Stir the salted water until the salt dissolves. While gently beating the eggs, slowly pour the salted water into the large bowl. This way the final ratio of egg to water is about 1 to 1.5. Now strain the egg mixture into another dish. This makes it super smooth. If you see some bubbles on top, just skim them off with a spoon. It's okay if you leave them. It will just make a few tiny holes on the surface later. Cover it with plastic wrap or place a plate on top. Steam it for 8 minutes once the water starts boiling. While that's steaming, let's prep our toppings. Chop the soaked dried water ear mushrooms into small pieces. Dice some carrots. And finally slice a little green onion. And here's our star, some pre-soaked dried shrimp. Now let's make our topping sauce. Heat some oil in the wok. Add all the chopped ingredients and stir fry until fragrant. Then add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. And once everything smells amazing, pour in about 150 milliliters of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt. And when it starts to boil, slowly stir in some cornstarch slurry to thicken it up. Finish it with a sprinkle of chopped scallions. And that's our glossy, savory sauce done. Now the eggs are perfectly steamed. Look at that smooth surface. Pour the sauce right on top. Wow, look at that shine. See how soft it is, like a cloud. Let me test this for you. Oh wow. It's silky, savory, and packed with flavor. No holes at all, just smooth and tender all the way through. Scoop a spoonful over some rice. Give it a little mix. Absolutely delicious. It's healthy, nourishing, and kids love it. Even grandparents with no teeth can enjoy this one. You've got to try this at home. It's easy, satisfying, and always a hit at the table. Thanks for watching. See you next time.